Up next is a 2011 Victory Vegas in colors white and blue with some really nicely detailed graphics and stripes. Great looking bike. Bike is 7 or 8 years old, depending on how you look at the calendar. And here's the criminal part right here. Under 14,000 miles on a bike so capable and so good looking as this. Previous owner took real good care of it while not riding it a whole lot. And then it came to Jamie in our detail department. 106 cubic inch V-twin engine, 6-speed overdrive transmission. One of the few motorcycles that actually has overdrive. 106 cubic inch engine develops plenty of torque to push it even in 6th gear. Bike is available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.